Medical distributors handle hundreds of products, invoices, and customer transactions every day. Managing all of this manually is slow, error prone, and inefficient. That's why we built medical distribution management system with an AI assistant, an offline first solution that simplifies inventory, sales, purchase, and business insights in one modern application. The application provides secure authentication with separate admin and staff accounts. User can clearly log in, manage their sessions, and access role-based features. So first we click on admin login, and then we add password, and then we click on login button, and then we can clearly see the admin dashboard. This dashboard is very simple, everybody can use very easily. So from this dashboard we can access common daily tasks. For example, we can create invoices, we can manage products, and we can add customers and vendors, and we can see stocks, we can create payments, and we can generate reports using this dashboard. So selling products is very simple. You just have to click on this create sale invoice, and then you have to choose your customer. If you don't have customer already, then you have to click on new customer. You have to add particulars, and then you have to just save it. After that you have to select product from here, and then we have drop menu here. You can select product from here also. If you don't have a product, you can add new product from this button. You have to just add product detail and type of unit, brand, category, and then you have to just save the product. After that you have to add the quantity here, and then price, and then you have to enter the discount, and then paid amount, and then you have to click on add item. Then you will see item will be added. Let me add one product. This product is already selected. I just want to add 10 quantities, and then 200 price, and then 5% discount, and I want to pay all amount. And you can see here we have the same product with 10 items, and then this you can see here price, and then we can save this invoice. So we can see here this invoice is displayed in sale history. We can check the details, we can edit it, and we can print or we can export PDF. So let me show the PDF. So here is the PDF of sale invoice. So this is a A4 size sheet. We can review the order and then print it. So when our stock arrives, users simply create purchase invoice by clicking on this card, and we can see here a window appears, and first we have to select the vendor from this menu. If vendor is not in the menu, then we can add a new vendor by adding the particulars, and then we have to just save. After that we have to select the product, and then we can also select the product from this drop menu. If we don't have product, this is a new product, then we can add new product from here. and then we have to add the quantity, price, and then we have to just click at this button, add item. So we can see here this item, one quantity, and this is a total price is added. We can add new product as well, but I have to just save this, and a new price invoice is created and displayed in the purchase history. We can see the items, we can export as PDF, and also we can print and export from here. Also we can cancel the invoice. So next we can click on add product. We can add product from here, and then we can add customers by adding the detail of customer, and then we can add vendor, and we can view the stock. So here is the stock. We have multiple filters, we can check out using these filters. So next we can click on record payments, and then we have customer received or vendor paid. So add customers, we can select the customer, and then we add payment, and then we can add method of payment, and then we can add optional note, and then we can record the payment. So next we have generate reports card. When we click on this, we can check comprehensive report system. We have daily sale report, monthly sales reports, and purchase reports, customer balance report, low stock report, vendor balance report, and many more. And at the end we have month-wise sale and purchase, and then we click on this button, we have comprehensive detail related to the different products purchase and sale. And then we have AI assistant, and this AI assistant is a new feature. We can check today's sales, and we can check monthly sales. So we have this button here for AI assistant. We can also access from this. We can check sales, monthly sales, pending payments, and many other things we can check with the help of AI assistant. So here is a sidebar. So first we'll check out statistics. So we can see statistics dashboard. We can check total products, total stock value, today's stocks, monthly sales, and low stock. And we have this analytics dashboard. So we have different graphs that represent different things: top selling products, profit trends, category wise sale, and pending payments, and monthly revenue. So this is comprehensive dashboard that showing the statistics of the system. And then we have recent invoices, reports, AI assistant, products, and stocks, and we have purchase invoice, sale invoice, and then payments, customers, vendors, and then we have profile, and then at the end we have setting. So we can add name of the brand, address, phone number, and prefix of sale invoice and purchase invoice. And then we have the company. The company name is CodNeura. The CodNeura created this software. And we have backup and restore option. Also we have reset users password option. We can add sample data, or we can remove sample data, and then we can save this setting. So this is a short review of this product. If you want this type of products for your company, then you can contact CodNeura.